Azikiwe market is on fire like this now as I speak to you. In my two.
My Naija people don't bring no bonga Bishop News Story. My name na Nehi. Make a sharply yarn on some story website. It just happened. Foreign Affairs Committee don't they blame the United Kingdom government as a fail to help their citizens wey be in Nnamdi Kanu. We say they don't jail for inside Nigeria. As in Nnamdi Kanu family don't they beg British High Court for judgment. The bonga Nigerian journalist where her name be Kemi Olulonyo don't come the yarn as kidnappers then try to kidnap Tiwa Savage. As she come here and say that Tiwa Savage driver and I give the kidnappers the information there. We say they want you to kidnap them, but they call about police. Don't they touchlight the matter?
Yesterday, while she was going out at first, okay, her driver is under arrest. And her driver, I think he's confessed. Her driver is one of the people who organized it.
Now be small traffic day for Lagos Ibadan Expressway for Bega Opek bus stop as road come block because of the construction where they go on for that road. As travelers and people say they carry their motor come dey for inside the traffic for more than 4 hours. Today, April 14th, 2023. Calabar Police Command for inside Zamfara State don rescue 9 people that were kidnappers they kidnap for Fucheri village inside Safe local government area of Zamfara State. And on April 11th, the kidnappers they kidnapped them while Calabar Police can rescue them on April 13th, 2023. For on top this video where they see one Calabar policeman they beat husband and wife where they stand for queue for inside one first bank to go withdraw money. Say because the husband and wife disrespect them. And this begin happen for inside Kurodu area yesterday on Thursday, April 30th, 2023. Level Kwara State College of Education students don't come with by hours wey be say they just finished their matriculation and her name na Aminat Tajuddin. She fall collapse for inside lecture room where she did receive lecture around that 1:30 p.m. on Wednesday, April 12, 2023. Plenty shops owners they don't they cry as they come they lament because their properties and goods the worth of millions don't burn fire for inside Ojoto market where they for Port Harcourt, Rivers State. And now for night, now the fire starts on Thursday, April 13th, 2023.
Azikiwe market is on fire like this now as I speak to you. In my two, Azikiwe market on fire. Azikiwe market is on fire. Please, if you have anybody there, call the person to come.
CCTV camera don't capture the final moment before the 18-year-old Italian Nigerian volleyball star where name be Juliana Ituma by herself and she jumped from the 6th floor of one hotel window for inside Turkey. This begin happen after some hours. They will say that team will be Igor Gozola Novera Komoto from the Champions League semi-final and she moved herself on Thursday, April 13th, 2023. Some traders they don't they call for help after when they see one young man with a run mad for inside Tejo Show Market, Yaba, Lagos State. You don't eat any food where you like because of ulcer, and you don't take different drugs because of infection, low sperm count, low ejaculation, and you not go. Or your face is rough like Nigerian road because of pimples, crop, irregular menstruation because of hormonal imbalance, or you don't tire to do operation on top fibroid. Or you make you not worry yourself because Nana Abba don't contend that for granted to help na cure those disease, sickness, and make your body day kakaraka with natural ingredients and you not get side effects. Or you make you sharply ring them on top 090-314-540-61 or follow them on top Instagram on nowna_abba. One man will go play Baba Ijebu, come spend 50,000 naira, don't they provoke after winning lose. And think on the ask, say me they pay and back in money when he used to play the Baba Ijebu bets. Social media don't catch fire after with the PSG star will be at Chief Hakimi wife who filed for divorce. Come ask for half of him property, but court to counter her say Hakim will be his husband not buy any of him properties with him own name o. Say na him mama name na him use take buy all the millions of dollars of him own property.
Yes, na Bishop News O'clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.